How about that Sky Dancer, folks? The Oregon Aero Sky Dancer is the result of 2.5 years and more than 3,000 man-hours of labor. The plane flying company is responsible for the rebuild and ongoing maintenance modified Avalon Chipmunk. It sports a 385 horsepower custom-built Lycoming engine, an advanced German wood composite prop, stronger aluminum skeleton, shorter wings, and a streamlined cannon. Because of these improvements, the Sky Dancer is one of the most photographed airplanes in the world. Get your camera ready as we twist into the sky with Steve Oliver. Actually means to dance the rumba. This incredible sky dance and how he felt about his career choice, and he replied, Steve discovered Oregon Aero's painless, safer, quieter cars. For years, Steve has been joined by thousands of happy Oregon Aero customers. Since no other company can compare, these loyal customers declare, this is just one of many different cities Steve will perform in this year. Monday morning, he'll be